Hey everybody, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I am here today with another review of a different Clever Fox planner. 2 or 3 months ago, I did a review of their weekly planner, and today I am doing a review of their daily planner. I'm very excited because this is similar to the type of planner that I like to use for work, where I have a whole page for each day. I can write down all my lists of things I need to do that day and check them off. So before we get started, you'll want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up because there will be information about a giveaway at the end of this video. So let's get into it. First of all, each Clever Fox planner comes in a nice hard box that you can store them in, maybe after you're done using them. They offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you order something and you're not completely happy with it, no hassle refund, which is very cool, especially if you're one of those people that really needs to hold it in your hands, take a look at it before you can make a decision. Leaving a product review. The other planner, they all must come with these same stickers because these are the same stickers that were in the weekly planner. And they explain in the first few pages what you can use these different icons for. Of course, you can use them however you'd like. Obviously, the gift probably, and this would be for birthdays, exercise, different things. So they have a nice information card about how to use the planner, how to use each of the sets of pages. There's gratitude pages I'll show you, vision, goals, 1-year goals, and then a monthly and weekly and daily layout example. So showing you different ways you can use those. All right, so I ordered this one in the rose gold. I absolutely love this color. I have a dotted notebook by them in this same color. It's beautiful. So this is a non-dated daily planner. So let me show you quickly, so this video isn't too long, what this looks like. Of course, first of all, the nice band to keep it closed is a big plus, and the pen loop that is attached inside the back cover. So I won't go too much in depth in these pages. You can go back to my first video I did on Clever Fox Weekly Planner to see a little bit more about these first pages. I'll just kind of flip through kind of quickly. Setting goals for different areas of your life. Focusing those goals. All right, so you have, now this is a daily planner. It's supposed to be 6 months, and it is fairly thick because you've got 7 daily pages plus a couple extra pages for each week. So let's count how many monthly spreads you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, so just 6 months. So basically you would do this January to June and then get another one for July to August. So your monthly pages are in the front. And then each week, this is really cool. Each week starts with kind of a week overview. Okay, so main goal of the week, priorities, to-do list, personal to-do list. I love that they have a habit tracker for each week. You can put whatever you want in there, and it goes Monday through Sunday. And then some different life balance to-dos. This is what the daily page looks like. Let me see if I can get a little closer. So you can set a goal for each day, priorities, and then it breaks down by hours starting at 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. This is wonderful because I really want one place to keep just my work stuff, and this would stay at work. I would not bring this back and forth. To-dos, and then rate your productivity. Now, because this has 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I only work 5 days a week, I will most likely take a tape runner, and these last 2 daily pages, I'm going to stick them together so that it goes then right to the weekly notes and the week in review, and then goes on to my next week. So it goes through that for, like I said, 6 months worth of weeks. So that'd be like 26 weeks. And then at the back here, let me show you. You've got just dot grid. I don't know if you can see it on camera very well. It doesn't want to focus. There we go. Dot grid, I guess it's about 1/4 inch. So you've got a few pages like that if you need to draw anything out. And then they always have this great little accordion pocket at the back for receipts, reminders, whatever you need in there. So if you would like to receive the Clever Fox planner or notebook of your choice, you will need to do a few things. First, you need to be a subscriber of my channel. You need to be ages 18 or older. You need to like this video. You also need to, in the description box below, I've listed Clever Fox's YouTube channel. You need to subscribe to their YouTube channel. And then let's comment in the comments below, what is your one main goal for the new year, for 2020? If you could only accomplish one thing in 2020, what would that be? And I'd love to read those, might even motivate me for the new year as well. So I hope you enjoyed that quick flip through. Let me know in the comments your big goal for 2020 and do all those other things to be a part of this giveaway. I will draw for this, let's just say, the day right after Christmas. Let's give it a week, December 26th. I will draw for the winner of the Clever Fox Planner giveaway. All right, everybody, I hope you have a great day, a great Christmas, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.